I'm looking out toward the Maumee River for that specific reason, and yes, that ice is melting away, but you're right, we need warmer rain and warmer days to activate that. If you remember, last year was actually one of the earliest starts to the walleye run on record, and there were some anglers out there fishing already this time of the year. I'm not sure they were catching much, but they were out there in late February. 23 degrees, west-northwest wind, 6 miles per hour. We're going to fall tonight back into the teens. Next couple of days, a little bit of light snow Tuesday, mid-30s, upper 30s on Wednesday. It will be a little bit breezy at times and still could see some flurry activity into Thursday. We are not expecting any impacts from a significant storm at all on Thursday. Warmest day of the week is going to be out there on Friday as we do climb back into the upper 40s. I talked a lot about that East Coast snowstorm. What a whopper of a blizzard it was. We are just dealing with a few flurries, mainly Erie and Huron counties where those are tapering off, and I still suspect we may get some slippery spots in those two counties and possibly parts of Sandusky and Seneca counties who drop back into the teens tonight. It's going to be a cold and wintry start to the morning. Now, as it stands now, no delays, but at a host of delays and closures south and east of the Toledo Metro this morning. Not impossible we could get a repeat of some delays south and east of Toledo, so make sure you tune in. Meteorologist Ryan Weekman will have that covered tomorrow morning starting at 5 a.m. A little bit of light snow ahead late Tuesday. It's not going to affect the daylight hours. This is between 7 to 9 p.m. that light snow arrives. Quick little burst of snow could bring a ½ an inch of an accumulation. It ends very quickly, and dry weather outside of a few flurries will return into Wednesday. And again, Thursday going to be fairly quiet, just a few flurries drifting to the south, but we are not expecting anything significant. Up toward the weekend, we do turn cooler into Sunday. We're already going to highlight acoustics for autism, kicking off the first day of March in uptown Maumee. Decreasing clouds. It will be a cold day, but a dry one. 15. Speaking of cold tonight, that's how chilly it's going to get. Highs tomorrow right around the mid-30s. Slightly warmer than what we experienced today, but it will be a breezy day with winds tomorrow gusting up to 30 miles per hour. That chance of snow on Tuesday, it is going to be late, arriving 7 to 9 p.m. Could be up to a ½ an inch of an accumulation, but it will not affect the morning drive or the evening drive. Wednesday, couple flurries will be possible, 38. Only a few flurries on Thursday. Not a big deal at all across the area. 48 Friday, upper 40s on Saturday. That chance of snow Saturday is Saturday night into early Sunday morning as a cold front comes through. And that front will bring a change in the temperatures toward the end of the weekend. Sunday, we drop back into the mid-30s. Monday will stay in the mid-30s, so it will be a colder than average start to the month of March. And a rain-snow mix is going to be possible toward Tuesday of next week. But a few days, we'll see highs pop 2 or above average, reaching into the upper 40s for Friday and Saturday. Otherwise, the balance of that 10-day forecast is going to be a little closer to average for late February and early March.